Alright, so grades of pencil. There are so many kinds of grades of pencils. Let us talk about graphite pencils. Imagine that there is a spectrum of grades, and HB is 0, and 2B, 4B, 8B are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2H, 4H, 6H are -1, -2, -3, and all. So what are these things? H stands for hard and B stands for black. What is HB and what is 2B, 4B? HB is 0, so it is a normal pencil which is not that much hard, not that much soft or dark. But 2H is hard and light from HB, and 4H is more hard and more light than 2B, and also these are the grades of graphite pencils. And when we talk about charcoal pencils, there are three grades: soft, hard, and medium. So you can understand what is like hard is the lightest and hardest pencil, medium is the mid-range pencil, and soft is the darkest and softest in charcoal. So these are the two mainly in which you have to tackle grades. So yeah.
Stop.